This is our snow globe interchangeable nightlight option, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. This is actually 4 layers. You have the top 2 layers and the bottom layer I've made out of Echo products. I think this Echo Birch and then Echo Black from Smoky Hill. I would normally have adhesive on the back of the front for this design, but I did not have any with adhesive and I wanted to get it cut, so I went ahead and cut it. So I'll use super glue on this, and then no adhesive on the front, middle, and the back. And then the insertable piece, this has double-sided adhesive on both sides of the piece, and I think this is 1/16, but you can make it 1/8 as well. So I'm just going to make sure that I have got it, because there's, the side, one side from the other, there's always a little bit of a difference. So you just need to make sure that you have the right orientation, and it looks like I do. So I will go ahead and start. So I'm going to start by super gluing the front to the front middle. I don't really like super glue, but I forgot to add. I should say not forgot to add. I was in a hurry and didn't want to. And I would normally have a jig for this, but again, my weekend was getting short, so I was trying to finish up some pieces I was working on. So would adhere the top to the front middle, and I am just going to make sure that it is nice and even. I'm very type A about it being smooth. It drives me crazy when it's not, so you'll have to pardon me. So once I am sure that it looks good, then I will let this cure. Make sure I'm moving it. Add glue. I will go ahead and attach my insertable middle to the back. So like I said, this is the one with double-sided adhesive on both sides. So I'm just going to remove the side that's going to be facing the back. And this would be easier with the jig, of course, and I will have a jig available once I get everything uploaded. I'll make one and add it to my Facebook group, because I do prefer, once I start making more than one of them, to have a jig. So I just want to get it nice and flush. Again, I'm anal about that, so you will have to pardon me. I'm just getting to take it. Okay, all right, perfect. And so now I'm going to remove the backing from the other side, and I'm going to apply this front 2 pieces together. And again, I'm just making sure that they're nice and lined up. Again, a jig would be so much easier, and we will get one for you. Sorry, I dusted and vacuumed today, and my sinuses are not wanting to cooperate. That looks good. All right. So as you can see, this front is scored, so you don't need these. Oops, wrong one. Excuse me. You don't need these front 2 accent pieces, but I like them, so I'm going to add them. I have a double-sided adhesive on these. then just want it to be flush. And the same. Right. So once this is on, then you want to, here we go. I use, this is 100 grit, but I've also used 80 grit and it's worked fine. So what you want to do is you just want to score the place that is going to be super glued to the front or the face of the nightlight clip, excuse me, nightlight clip. And then this is the face. You also want to sand this really good. Once that's sanded, you just clean it off and make sure that's cleaned up. And then we're going to add some super glue here. And add the clip, and you just want to hold the clip for a little while until the glue is cured. Okay, so once this has set, you just test if it feels good. Then you can add the nightlight module, and then I will show you how to interchange with it. So these work for both square and round 2.25 inch inserts from Smoky Hills, the one I made it for. So these are some examples. And then this is just another combo I made, and um, some of these have red in them and some don't. And it comes with a version that has Let It Snow, but you can really put anything here, personalize it or whatnot. But this I thought looks really good with the snowman. So I'll just leave that in here. So very pretty.